Hi, here we are back. Welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style. As you may see, today's menu is a one-pot cooking style. It's called pilaf. Well, this time I'm using some lamb, rice, onion, carrot, or garlic, red bell pepper. You can use also spicy chili if you want, chickpeas, some spices, some dried fruits, and let's start. I'm gonna start chopping, making some sticks of carrot. I cut the carrot into 3 and then the sticks, and I chop the onion like you see. You can do also julienne, but I just did it this way. It was easier to prepare, and that was it. And then we got our rice. We got a 1.5 cup basmati rice. I'm washing it 3 times until the water is clear, and then soak it. Yeah, and well, some olive oil, hot pot, and then we're gonna deep fry our meat. As you may see, just turn it. This is lamb, so you gotta be careful with the fat, not to burn it, not to overheat it. We just want to do it slow but nice. Yeah. Well, after a while, look, our meat is just seared, still not burned, not overheated, as you may see. Very nice. Now it's time for our onion. We're gonna incorporate our onion to our pot and stir fry a little bit also with meat. Just easy, as you see, not overheated, because the sugar of the onion can be dangerous. You can burn it and then you ruin it. Yeah, so just carefully with the temperature. It's quite important, this step of the temperature. Yeah. Well, after a while, you see our onion is getting nice color, our meat is there, and we add our carrots. Yeah, same procedure. Stir fry a little bit, turn it, keep an eye on it, always keep an eye on it, like you don't overheat it. Yeah, yes, just like that, quite easy. And then you can also add this garlic at the beginning with the meat, but I'm adding it here at this step. I guess it's not a big difference. Yeah. Well, now it's time for our spices. I got some pepper, I got chili flakes, I got cumin, I got salt, I got turmeric, bay leaves, and now always control temperature. Now it's more important because you incorporate your spices, so you don't want to overheat it and to burn them. Yeah, you want to just do it quite slowly with the spices. Of course, it's very important. Now it's time for our grapes. I got gold grapes, raisins, and black raisins. Well, now same procedure, just mix it all together, low temperature, and keep it rolling. Just like you see, quite easy. One pot, it just very nice results always. Well, now time to go. So now we add our chickpeas. This is 1 can of the chickpeas. Just they are of course pre-cooked. Yeah. Then and our rice. Yeah. You see, I wash it, as I said. I soak it a little bit, wash it, and then back here. Oh, I forgot to remove the garlic. I want to top it with the garlic. So just, if you want to do it the same way, just remove before you add the rice. And now this time we're gonna cover our meat and give a form, kind of small bowl can with the rice. Yeah, and to incorporate our water. Yeah, just carefully. I'm adding 3 cups of water for 1.5 cup of rice. The third one, a little bit less than 3, but just around. Yeah, and I'll maintain the form of it and just cooking it. I'm cooking it for 13 minutes. Yeah, after 13 minutes, look, still water on it, but I'm gonna mix it a little bit, not completely, just to mix a little bit the rice with the meat, and form it back to the small bowl can we had. Yeah, just like you see, I'm making it back. and try to perform 4 holes, as you will see in a show just now. You will see how it will form 4 holes that it just breathe the steam on it. Yeah, it's a very nice point, and it's also quite important, yeah, because we're gonna basically steam a lot our rice, so that's why we need these holes on it. Yeah, look, like you see, I'm using a chopstick here, that's it. And I'm using red bell pepper because I didn't want it spicy. My wife doesn't eat that much spicy, but you can add at the beginning just a pepperoni, spicy one, and then you cover the lid, cooking it for around 13 to 20 minutes depending on the temperature, and look, that's it, then you are done. Look, very nice. Now just mix it together and you are ready to serve it. Big plate like I do, and everybody's grabbing the table is the best idea to serve this pilaf. Hope you like it and see you in the next video. Cheers!